how to hide all locked posts on OnlyFans. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how we can hide all locked posts on OnlyFans. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is open any browser on your device and at the search bar type onlyfans.com. Then press enter to search it. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this interface of your OnlyFans, here you will see home option. At the right side of this home option, you will see three dots that says more. Click on these three dots and there you will see some pop-up options. From there you will see hide all locked posts. By clicking on this hide all locked post, the locked post will be hidden from your newsfeed. Now if you want to undo it, you just have to click on it and then select this show all locked posts. By doing so, you can again unhide it. So in this way you can hide all locked posts on OnlyFans. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.